Taylor here with Agri Drones. We're going to take a deep dive and look under the hood on the DJI Agras T50, the XAG P100 Pro, and the newcomer to the US market, the EAVision J100. Now, what do I mean when I say look under the hood? Well, everything looks nice and pretty on the outside of these drones. What happens when bad things happen? Whenever something goes out, an electronic piece goes out, you have to replace wiring, you get into a crash. God forbid you land this in a pond or a power line. That means repair has to happen. And not just cosmetic repair, but repair on the electronics under the hood, right? Now, your dealer might do this for you. Whoever is servicing these drones might do this for you. But if you need this thing back up in the air same day, you might want to tackle it yourself. And that's where having a very simple system, just plugging in and unplugging under the hood in the field, is really important. All right, we're going to start, we'll start over here on the DJI. So this is the DJI Agras T50. Here is the front of the drone where the main electronics are housed. The main boards are housed. Now, the DJI system doesn't just have boards in the front, it also has boards in the back. We have our RTK antennas, our GPS located back there. Now, we're not gonna look back there because it looks about the same as the front. So on the front, to access all your plugs and everything, there's two bolts, one here, one there. I've taken those off, and then the front pops open just like that. You see on the cover, we've got our lights, and then we've got everything inside of here, if you guys can see that. So right there, we do have nice access to the front of our distribution board. But really, this is only if you're going to unplug or plug something. So if you break an arm, it's pretty easy to unplug this, shove it through, pull that arm out. You have a distribution board, you have an air electronics module, and you have an RF module on the DJI T50. So that's 3 boards that have to be replaced if something like that happens. And then you have to get everything to fit back up inside of there. Maybe I can do that first try, second try, there we go. All right, we're gonna go over to the XAG second. So on the XAG, it is a toolless open. You peel up right there, peel up right there, and there's under the hood, well, part of the hood. You see we have access to our plugs right here. We can unplug our certain wires going to certain components. To get access to these back wires here, we do have to take off that shell there. And to get access to our actual control unit, our actual computer, we have to take everything off, all of these things here, take off that bracket, and then we can get access to it. Now, it is much more open system than the DJI, a bit easier to get into, but it's also tighter to get into. And there still is another panel to take off. They actually have to unscrew to get to it. Not only that, this plastic is, seems very flexible. It might not break, but it's also very flimsy. Same right there. It is nice. There's a schematic under the hood that shows you what these pins are all going to. It does just snap on like it comes off. There you go. All right, and then on the back side of the XAG for the power, it's a pretty open system right here. We do just have our power block here that goes from our batteries, there's 2 of them, down through the system to our front board. All right, now let's look at the EAVision J100, the newcomer for the US market. How do they do their under the hood wiring? Well, to get access to the front, there you go, pulls off. And this is a very rigid piece of plastic here. Yes, of course, plastic, but a lot thicker than what we're gonna have on the XAG and even the DJI. Here, we see we have a very wide opening. If we need to replace this module, it's right on top, and everything is right here. We don't have lots of separate modules like we have with the DJI system. Everything's right there. You need to replace your LiDAR right there. Everything is right here. Your plugs are right here. Everything is very open and accessible and very toolless. And again, we have a schematic. Put this back on. Just like that. clips in beautifully. And on the back side, it's the same way. So like the DJI, we only have one battery. Now we have two terminals right here, positive on this side, negative on this side, but it is just one battery. To get access to this, it's the same as the front. Pull up, this pops off, no boards. The DJI has a big distribution board back here. You have to take the entire rear end of the drone off if you want to get to it. And if you want to replace your terminals on the DJI system, you have to tear everything apart. Here on the EAVision J100, replacing your terminals, 4 bolts, unscrew your power wire, put your terminals back on. If you need to replace your rear arm, you can see very easily, here's our cables going to our rear arm. They unplug right there without the need to get into any distribution board. Very, very open on the back side of the drone on the EAVision. And again, it's a very solid piece of plastic, and it snaps back on just as easily as it came off. The EAVision J100 takes the simplicity from the DJI in terms of our power system, in terms of our boards, in terms of our plugs, in terms of our openness to access, and takes the simplicity of the XAG in terms of quick access to getting under the hood on the power side and the front, and it combines those together. The EAVision J100 is the best drone for in-field, in-depth repair. If you guys want to see anything else on the EAVision J100 or see one in the field yourself, give us a call, let us know. Thanks.